Hey guys, today I'll show you how to add Collaborator on YouTube channel. Kindly watch carefully so you don't miss a step. Firstly, kindly go to your YouTube studio and tap the pencil icon beside the video you want to invite the collaborator on. Now scroll down and tap on Show More. This is where you will find Invite Collaborator. Now kindly search for the YouTuber you would like to add to the video and send a request. As you can see, our invitation has been sent successfully and the collaborator will be added as soon as it is accepted. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.